Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to real quick address something that's been popping up all over the place, and that's Bermuda seed heads. All Bermuda lawns right now, everyone that I've seen, is producing these seed heads at some place in the lawn. The reason why I have to address this is because a lot of people panic and think it's a weed, and it's not a weed. It looks a lot like crabgrass seed heads or blue stem seed heads, and people tend to panic when they start seeing this all over their lawn. But don't worry, it's not a weed, it's just Bermuda grass producing these seed heads. Now, why is it doing this? Typically, it's because there's an issue in your lawn. It's a sign of stress. It is a sign of stress in your lawn if it's producing these seed heads. So it's not a weed problem, but there is something going on. Typically, it's a watering issue, soil compaction, maybe a shade issue that's causing it. But this year, it's so widespread, every single yard has it. It's likely because of all the rain we've had. It is stress, but it's just a stress from overwatering, and there's nothing you can do about it. Just have to wait it out because we've gotten so much moisture over the last, month and a half, that it's stressing out Bermuda lawns, and it's naturally producing these seed heads to try to help with that stress, to try to spread and thicken up. That's what it's doing. So nothing to really worry about. Nothing you can really do. Just kind of wait it out, wait till this rain kind of slows down, and then go from there. So hope that helps. I'll post pictures here for you so you can see exactly what it looks like, and what you're dealing with. But again, if you see this, don't panic. It's not a weed, it's just Bermuda producing seed heads. So hope that helps. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.